Okay.
Today we're making omelette in a bag. Can you start again? I meant to say hi.
Okay. Okay, Pamela.
I haven't heard ding ding.
Because I'm glad this switch
Oh.
on. Okay.
Hi. Today we are making omelette in a bag. If you're counting the calories, use skim milk. Okay? We crack 3 eggs in a bowl. Add approximately 200 ml of milk of your choice. Whisk and add salt to taste. And carefully pour into a plastic bag. There we go. Being careful not to get the sides. Okay. Tie loosely. There we go, being careful not to pierce the bag. Now we put it into a second bag, just for added security. And lower into saucepan of hot water, which is not really hot at this stage because my partner hasn't put the gas on. Simmer for about 10 or 15 minutes and then remove from the bag. Okay, and it's delicious served on toast. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my 3 Monkey channel.
Oh no, need the cooking.
I know, but it's not. Okay, sorry about the break. We just had a big argument, but we're back. So now we lower the bag into the saucepan of hot water and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Cut.
No.
Well, you can't say anything else. Simmer for 10. Right, we lower the bag now into the saucepan. Cover with the lid. Leave a little gap there and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Can you tell this is our very first video? No, of course you can't. See you later.
Okay.
Okay, here we go again. Take out the bag into a bowl just for safety because of the steam. Snip off the top of the bag. Bags. There we go. Careful because of the steam. Take out of the bag. Doesn't that look wonderful? Slice and have it on toast. Delicious. I don't know where I am now because it's irritating me. Okay. Give him a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my 3 Monkey channel. His 3 Monkey channel. Right, okay. I really hope you've enjoyed it. I'm sure you will have. David Bailey's enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Goodbye.